Hey, what is up guys? I am Rev 2013 and today I have a review of the Tornado magazine. Just before we start, I know I pasted the stickers wrongly. These yellow bits are supposed to go over here, but yeah, it still looks nice. So this is the packaging. You can see, yeah, I pasted the stickers wrongly. And you got Rev Device Rapid Firing. I got it for $9.95. And Takuratomi Gengen Hobbies WBMA, and it's a model kit. Tune-up gear. This one is new. It was on the System magazine as well. Tornado magazine CB-10. And then some warning. I can't read it. Over here we got how to put it together. Stickers. What you do. One there. And this increases rapid fire by 13. That is awesome. It can hold up to 45 B-Damas and can shoot very fast. So yeah, Tornado magazine, nice. It comes in two parts like that, with the sticker sheet, which is here. And it comes with two parts like that. You just take it and you see these two clips by the side. Clip it on like that. Then yeah, you can spin it. And then the fin helps to move the B-Damas into that hole. So I have here a rose sword. Just line up again. Line that up. Line up. Then push it like that. So you get this whole thing. Let me raise my camera. So yeah. So I'm gonna pour some B-Dama, 25 B-Damas inside, cause that's all I have with me. So you gotta spin it to make them go in, and you can see the fin, that little thing, wing there in action. Yeah, so I'm gonna see if I can get more B-Damas. There we go. I need 20 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So I gotta make sure to hold it. Yeah, that's 25 B-Damas. I gotta hold this thing in, if not, the whole thing will drop like that. So I'm gonna set up my rapid fire area, and you better don't put B-Damas to the side, because when you turn this too fast, they may just fall off like that. See this clear one. So with the rapid fire area set up, done, and so let's rapid fire. And if it clocks, you just spin it. So oh crap. There's some B-Damas that already dropped on the floor, like 2 of them. So yeah, you can see that. And so let me show you when it clocks. It's because no B-Dama I'm loading some here. When it clocks, let me show you, get the packaging out of the way. When it clocks, okay, see, when it clocks, none of the B-Damas are going in. So when you turn it, they start to fall in. Yeah, so then you can wrap it there again. Yeah, and I usually hold the sword the normal way. I hold him like that, and then use my thumb to spin the thing, the magazine. So this is a very nice magazine, except that it can jam clock sometimes, which is, I guess, a downside of it. Yeah, see, that shot was okay. So yeah, I really like this magazine. I would recommend it, but I would recommend the System magazine more, cause it, number one, is cheaper, number two, it doesn't clog, and number three, you can like buy many System magazines to like stack them up and become more than the Tornado magazine. But the unfortunate thing is you can't use more than 6 levels of the System magazine in tournaments. So yeah, that is Tornado magazine. I hope you like the review, and this is a great magazine. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.